Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Isaac Jeng. I'm 18 years old and I'm your spokesperson for this month. And I'm happy to be your spokesperson, and I hope that you will have a good time. As you know, I'm at home, I'm doing my holiday, and today I have a debate to tell you, so I hope that you'll enjoy it. Thank you. Okay. My subject today is about the university. As you know, last week it was a week of baccalaureate. People were doing baccalaureate, and I hope that next year most of them will go to the university, and I wish them all the best. Reason why I wanted to focus on the university to give them some informations, how it goes and everything. And now I'm gonna give you some information about the university. First of all, if you want to subscribe to the university, first of all you have to come and see if your name is in the list. If you find your name in the list, you can come and bring 4 pictures. And you see your name in the list, you have to bring 4 pictures and a list of your results of the baccalaureate. And then after that they will give you a card. That card will identify you in the university, and in every test and exam you have to bring that card, and you have a number also. It's an obligation. So after 1 week you're gonna start classes in a big classes called amphitheaters with many people. You can have 100 people in one amphi. So and then you will start classes. They will give you a timetable, but the timetable will not be busy. You will only have 3 days or 2 days to study. So after 1 month, you'll be divided in 4 groups or sometimes more, and you have another timetable. After that, in the free places which you didn't have classes in your old timetable, they will change you with some other classes called TD. You will have it with your group, and each group has another teacher, and you will do it in some small classes called classrooms. In some small classrooms, you will have after each class you will go and do the TD. TD means we go, another teacher comes and brings some exercises and develops the class to have more information about it. And you will do some practice, especially physics and chemistry or science. You will do some practicing in practicing classes. So and then in practicing classes, and then after 2 months and 50 days you will have tests. They will give you 1 week for tests, only for tests, and after 10 days sometime or 20 days you will have exam, and you will have only 2 sections. First, once the exam for the first section and the second exam for the second section. You have to pass it all. But if you miss one subject, you have to redo the subject maybe next year or something like that. But after 2 months and 50 days, you will have tests and exams. Okay, that's all about how we study. So now I'm going to tell you about the transport. As you know, FST, the Faculty of Science and Technology, is very far. So we have buses which takes us to the university. About transport, in the morning you have 3 buses. One is 7:50, other one is 7:30, and the last one is 8:30. You have 3 buses. So you have to pay 50 for 1 ticket. And when you're going, you have to pay 50, or when you're coming back, you have to pay another 50 for the transport. It's only 50 OBS. It's not that much. It's not that much expensive. And you have and the buses are always crowded, full of people, and the buses do not wait for students. If the bus is full, the bus will go and another bus will come. And there is something which called transport card. It's a small card. You can pay for 3 months or 6 months, or for the year. You pay sometimes 6,000 or 8,000 or 9,000 for a card. And if you have that card, you don't need to pay 50. Always you need to come and show the card with your picture, and then you will not pay. You will just come and get on the bus and go. This is about transport. So now I'm going to tell you about the restaurant and how it goes. And restaurant also is only 50 OBS. So every day you have to, if you want to eat tomorrow, you have to pay today. You have to pay 50 OBS before the due date. And each day they have a special. As I was saying about the restaurant. For the restaurant you have to pay only 5 OBS to eat. But you have to pay before the day that you want to eat there. For example, if you want to eat there tomorrow, you have to pay a ticket to buy it. So, and each day we have special food. Like Monday we have chicken, Tuesday we have spaghetti and yassa. On Wednesday and Tuesday we have omelette. So, just you have to pay 50 OBS and then go. Okay. I hope that you've got some information about it, and that's all. So if you need more questions and if you want to know more information about it, I'm here. You can ask me, you can comment and give me some information. I will tell you about the university. So, but here I've got some questions from people who were doing baccalaureate last year. So the first question is, what are my challenges? What are my challenges, my problems, what I have faced there? So my challenges was when I came first at the university, I didn't know how it goes. So and I couldn't go and ask people because I didn't know many people there. When I came first at the university, I didn't even know the place where to subscribe. But fortunately, I met one guy who was there last year before me, and he gave me some information and how to subscribe and everything. And the second challenge was about tests and exams, how it goes, about how to do to pass this class and everything. But fortunately, I met some people. I've made some new relations. So, alhamdulillah, I get everything which I wanted to know, and now I have a lot of information about it. So, the second question is about the transport. Do the bus wait for us or no? For me, no, they don't wait for you. Whenever the bus is full, they used to go, and the buses are always crowded, full of people. Sometimes it's not easy, but if you wanna pass, if you wanna get what you want, you have to support everything. So these are all the questions we have. So if you need to know something, you have to comment or you can contact me. I will give you everything. And this is all. That was my subject and everything. So that's all. If you need more information, you can tell me. And thank you so much.